Still loading containers manually? 40-kilogram cartons in and out. One 40-foot container takes 3 hours. Workers wear out and the box still isn't full. 3 pits of manual loading. First, 40-kilogram cartons in and out. Frequent injuries. Second, manual stacking isn't compact. Over 20% of interior space wasted. Third, container sizes differ. 20-foot, 40-foot, high cube, standard. Workers mix them up. This auto container loading system pairs a 6-axis robot with 3D vision, 300 to 450 cartons an hour, anything up to 40 kilograms. 20-foot, 40-foot, high cube and standard containers all compatible. 3D vision auto plans the optimal stack. Space utilization pushed above 95%. 3 cores. First, 3D vision scans the container interior and computes the optimal placement in real time, tight rows with no gaps. Second, the 6-axis robot adjusts pick pose and place angle to each carton size, gentle handling so nothing gets damaged. Third, modular lightweight design. The whole system disassembles and reassembles, 4 hours to deploy to a new warehouse, fast as snapping blocks together. Watch the demo. Cartons ride in on the conveyor. 3D vision scans dimensions and weight. The robot picks and feeds them into the container, placing at the vision plan coordinates, layer after layer packed tight. One 40-foot container filled in 40 minutes with almost no wasted space. By the numbers, manual loading runs 80 to 100 cartons per hour, 75% space utilization, 3% injury rate. Automated runs 300 to 450 per hour, 95% utilization, 0 injuries. One 40-foot container drops from 3 hours to 40 minutes. Freight cost saved over 20%. This system suits boxed products up to 40 kilograms, appliances, food, daily chemicals, e-commerce parcels, export loading, all fit. 20-foot, 40-foot, high cube and standard containers all compatible. One system, every container type. The core of auto container loading isn't how fast the robot moves. It's whether 3D vision can plan interior space to the limit. What's your container space utilization rate?